Good morning and welcome to another awesome day. Today we have people coming on site to install the piers. So the piers basically support the concrete slab of our home, and what it means is that for the soil that was taken from just here and moved over to the other side to fill it up, it's that fill soil over there which is actually going to have the piers installed in it. And my understanding, it's basically they drill a hole down to where the natural ground level actually is, and that's enough to support the concrete slab, because they basically just fill it up with a concrete, is my understanding, but we'll find out together what actually happens with that. Our contractor has arrived. He's just put some string out and is now marking out where the piers will go, and he said we'll have it built, or we'll have it constructed today. So let's go and have a look what he's doing. He's spray painted out the marking points for where he's going to drill the holes. He's going to jump on that bobcat, grab some attachment to drill like an auger, and then he'll drill the holes that he's marked out. The engineer has just arrived. He's just inspecting the bore holes now. Excellent, the concrete truck has just arrived. Well, as you'll see, the piers are now installed. Next week he's going to come back and organise the slab for the house itself, so that's going to be exciting. And next week we also have the slab being installed for our garage, our external garage, so that's going to be awesome as well. So stick around, hopefully you like this video. If you do give it the thumbs up, hit subscribe and also click that bell icon too. See you next time, bye.